In this video we're going to give a short demo of what Homework 14 is supposed to look like on CS151. This is the weather. So our starting point is the weather program that was developed over the course of 2 videos. So this weather program here, and inside this weather program we had code to load the weather data. There's a function here to load weather data. There was code to look for a particular date and print the weather from that date. There was some code to compute average temperatures, total precipitation for per year, and there was code to compute the average for particular days. Okay, so if you run this the way it is right now, So if we run it the way it is right now, it would ask for a date to compute averages on. And if we commented these lines and uncommented these, it would do the per year average, and if we commented those and uncommented these, it would do the looking up a particular day. So the first part of Homework 14 is to put a menu on that. I'm going to run. This is what the correct solution will look like. So we print a welcome statement and a menu. So the menu here is expecting the user to type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If they type something else, it says invalid choice. So if we type the quit choice, it quits. If we type to look for a particular date, it prints that particular date, and it's printing it a little bit nicer than the program as it is right now with your starting point, and it keeps asking until they choose quit. So the range of years, it does that just the same as it did before, and for a particular day of the year. So there's the information for July 1st. All right, so basically you're just putting a menu on the code that's already there, and then calling the appropriate function or running the appropriate code, and then this here where it's printing the weather for a particular date, you should kind of do it like these other prints or it's more like this one here. So where you're going to print sort of in columns with the tab. Okay, so that's the first part of Homework 14, just putting that menu on and linking in those functions.